Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is obviously weekly Liv number 10. As you can see, hear, tell, smell, everything. I'm really sick. If you saw last week's weekly Liv, you would know that I came down with a cold over the weekend, which, as I'm sure you know, is always the best time to get a cold when you're on your weekend. But anyway, I know I'm inflamed, my nose is swollen, my top lip is swollen, which I don't actually mind because like I look extra Kylie Jenner today. But yeah, I sound like crap, look like crap, feel like crap, all of that good stuff. It's actually Tuesday today, which I've never in the history of Weekly Liv started a vlog on a Tuesday because I like to vlog every single day of the week. I kind of wanted to vlog every single day of the year, but then missing week 8 kind of mucked me up, but that's okay. I'm in such a better mindset. You know, sometimes you just wake up and you're just not in a good mood. So I thought, I'm not going to bring down the vlog. My last vlog was like down buzz enough. I'm not going to have another vlog where I'm down. So here's happy Olivia. Here's in a good mood on a Tuesday Olivia. So yesterday was a really good day at work because I didn't obviously talk to you guys about it. We actually had a massive cheat meal. We had pizza, and do you want to know the thing that sucked the most is for about half of the meal, so like I had a lot of slices. I don't normally have this many, but I had 6 slices of pizza. For 2 or 3 of those slices I couldn't taste anything, but I'm such a glutton that I just ate it. What a waste. But I could taste 3 slices, and I also ate my little chocolate mousse, which, oh damn it, I thought somebody left one here. Damn. I always feel like my first morning clip of the vlog is like so long and then the rest of my clips get shorter and shorter, but I just wanted to show you guys my lunches for the week because I'm going to be having this 4 days this week. So if I show you it once, you know what I'm having a week. So these are the 3 different things that I'm taking. First of all, well, my first meal is these pita crisps. These are by Danny's if you live in New Zealand. And then I've just got, I haven't got ice cream, I've got hummus. This is 2 servings of hummus and then 1.5 servings of chips because, I don't know, I don't live by the rules. I live by what will fill me up, and that kept me full till lunchtime. So that was, had this at 10 with my class, and then I had this at 1 bake, which is the one that I got from Woman's Best, the salted caramel. So this is pretty much my main meal of the day. So I've got 1/3 of a cup when uncooked of this brown rice and quinoa blend, which is really yum and really filling. And then I've got about, I think it's about 150 grams of uncooked chicken. Well, obviously it's been cooked now, but uncooked it was 150 grams. And I've just got Moroccan seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and then like another one that I can't think of right now, peri peri seasoning. And then I've just got some chickpeas, and oh my freaking god, I love chickpeas. My chickpeas just have paprika, garlic powder and salt and pepper on them, and then I salt and pepper it when I get to work. I need to go and blow my nose, so I'm gonna go do that because it's like about to drip down my face. I actually need to go to work, so I'm gonna leave now. Let me know if you guys like seeing what I'm eating in a day / for the week during the day, because I do the same thing for at least 4 or 5 days depending on what protein I'm having. Happy hump day guys, it is Wednesday. I'm parked in my garage this morning because I have decided that I should park in my garage and not on our driveway. So I am just in here right now, which is why it's dark. I'm gonna get on my way and then we will chat. Today in terms of my sickness, I'm feeling better. My nose when I woke up was not stuffy at all. I was like, oh my gosh, my stuffy nose is gone. But then of course it's not gone, it's come back. Not full force, it's not as snotty, but it's still a snotty nose, which is a pain in the bum because I thought it was gone. So now I've got like a decently sore throat and a cough and a runny nose. But I thought the runny nose had gone, but that's okay. I got home about 20 or 30 minutes ago. If you can hear road noise, I've got the doors open just to air the house out, but I just completely cleaned the kitchen and did all the dishes and wiped everything down, so I'm just going to relax now. I've got my favorite snack, which is literally, I know you're like, what is that? It's cheese with Vegemite slithered between it. It's like a cheese and Vegemite sandwich without the bread, so low carb. No, not really, but yum, I'm gonna eat that. I've got a fizz. I absolutely love these. These are by Red Seal. This is the immunity one, and it tastes like blackcurrant, and it's really yummy. I have like 1 of these a day. They're kind of like my sweet treat, if that makes sense, like my candy sweet treat. I try not to drink like diet drinks or like diet sodas or anything like that, but this kind of like gives me that carbonated effect. And if before you say anything, I hate sparkling water. I can't drink it, but this is really yum. Hazel and I are watching Coco. Seeing as it won an Oscar, we thought we may as well watch it, so I'll let you guys know what I think once we finish. Tonight's lazy dinner, pate hors steak and then sour cream to dip. This steak is huge.
You can't really tell, but it's like really big.
So I just finished Coco and I can't actually give you a review right now, but as you can see I had some feels. So we are going to play some Pokemon Go. We're going to a local hip and happening spot for Pokemon. I still play, obviously. If you guys were wondering, which I'm sure you weren't, we still play. My eyes always look so green after I cry. Can't see. Oh, green. Whoa, yes they do. You should see it in the camera. Anyway, I've overcome my post-Coco sadness, except I can't talk about it. And now we're gonna go play some Pokemon Go.
Oh my god.
Was it constricting?
Yeah.
Good morning, my loves. I'm just exiting the garage. I was not gonna do a car chat today, but I want to talk about Coco, so let's do that. You know when it's rubbish day and you don't take the rubbish out and you're just lying there and you can hear the truck and you're like praying that like whoever else that you live with has remembered the rubbish? That was me this morning. I was like, please God, tell me that she remembered to put out the rubbish because I forgot today. So Coco, okay. I absolutely love that movie. I'm so happy that it won an Oscar. I obviously watched it after it got its Oscar, but I just thought it was really, really good. I don't know anything about like Dia de los Muertos. I believe that's how you pronounce it, Day of the Dead. I don't know anything about it. Didn't know anything about it. And I'm assuming that movie's based pretty closely on the actual Dia de los Muertos beliefs and celebrations. I thought it was such a beautiful like view on death. I don't know, I just absolutely loved it. I thought it was so great. It was really, really moving and really, really like, I cried like probably about 25% of the movie, like continuously. From one part of the movie onward I cried, but I cried before that as well. I really cry in movies like all the time. It's like my one weakness in life is that I always cry at movies, like always. Good afternoon, it is Friday afternoon and as you can see I'm back in the car. I wasn't going to vlog in the car at all for the rest of the vlog, but this afternoon I have an appointment and it is quite far away, so I don't have time to go home and vlog. And this morning, Fridays are my, obviously, as you can imagine, are my slow mornings when I take too long to get out of bed and I sleep in for too long, and it's actually the day when I need to be at work the earliest, so it doesn't work out very well. But I made it on time to work and I had a face of makeup, but I just did not have time to vlog, so that's why there's no vlog clip from the morning. I'm going to an appointment and I'm so excited. I had to bring you guys with me. I was just going to vlog when I got there, but I thought, seeing as it's a long drive for me, it's quite a way to go, I thought that I would vlog for you guys when I'm on the way, because I'm about to hit traffic and I'm going to be stuck. So I thought I may as well talk while I'm in traffic. So I was invited a couple of weeks ago by my friend Bonnie. She runs a studio called Index Studio, and it used to be formerly called Nails by Bonnie Who, but now she's changed it to Index Studio. So I'll leave all of her info down below, but basically she does some amazing gel nails and extensions and like nail extensions and stuff, and she also does brows, which is what I'm going for today. As you can imagine, if you guys have seen how awful my brows have been, she invited me a couple of weeks ago to go and see her, but because I had mumps and, well, I didn't have mumps, sorry, I was being checked for mumps, and then now I was sick, I just was like waiting to get better before I booked in. I want to know your guys' driving PP, but mine is when somebody cuts in front. Are you serious? Sorry, Siri's just being rude. But my point is, let me know what your PP is, because I hate it when people pull in front of you. Like, hate it so much. It drives me absolutely insane. I know it doesn't matter, but it's like, I wasn't letting you in. You should have been in the line with everybody else instead of cutting in at the last moment, you know? So I made it after going into a car park that I thought was a car park, but it was actually a new build car park. And then I ended up parking on the road because that car park looks like it's full. So I made an executive decision, but I'm like, it's right there. Like, well, the mall that it's all like, I think you consider it a mall. It's kind of like a strip of businesses. I'll show you guys Bonnie's studio once I get inside. There was parking in here. Damn it. Oh well, that's right. It's really sunny today. It's nice and warm. This is where I am. I don't know quite where it is, but I'm guessing I go in here. Oh, I can see her sign. Yay! So this is Bonnie's studio in here. Here it is. I'm guessing it's in here. I'm here with Bonnie.
Hey guys, welcome to my studio.
I'll leave her linked off down below, but it's so cute.
I've smelled this stuff before, it's so nice. Have to have people come and visit you. It's such a gorgeous place. So I just finished with Bonnie, you guys probably can't hear me. I haven't talked to Bonnie in like so long because I don't know if I mentioned before, but Bonnie used to be a blogger. Well, she is in the beauty community, but she started her YouTube like around the same time as me, and we used to see each other all the time at events, and then she worked for beauty companies and yada yada yada. You can go see her channel if you want to hear her life story, but haven't talked to her in a really long time, and it was so nice catching up. So I'm definitely going to rebook. You book her appointments through an app. I'll show you my brows properly when I get in the car. But yeah, I seriously loved the experience. I will talk more about it in a moment. I know there's really weird lighting on my face, but there's nothing that I can do about it. It's just the time of the day, so hopefully you guys don't mind it too much. But here are my brows. Hopefully you guys can kind of see. I'm trying to like show you while driving. I'm just stuck in traffic now, so I thought I would come on and chat to you while I'm in traffic, because the rest of the way I was like super confused about where I was and where to go. So yes, I will put in before and afters now of my eyebrows because Bonnie did such an amazing job. So her studio is within a hair salon and it's in Remuera. I want to give you guys all the details in case you're interested in going and seeing her, because I would highly recommend her services. She's got good banter, really nice clean environment, and it's got good parking. Good afternoon, it is Saturday, and I'm saying good afternoon because it is the afternoon. I forgot to vlog this morning because Coco and I were just playing well together, and I thought I'd show you guys my brows because I didn't vlog them yesterday afternoon. Right now they have got like the smallest amount of product in, and then my camera died. So it's Sunday right now, and I wanted to come on to tell you what you guys missed yesterday because I'm really upset that I didn't get to vlog because we had quite a busy day. My camera batteries were both dead though. That was the issue. Normally as soon as one of my batteries is dead, I swap them out and then I will put the dead one on the charger, but I completely forgot, and I had 2 dead camera batteries, and we were out for the whole day pretty much, like apart from the little bit that you saw that was right before we left. Basically we just played Pokemon yesterday. We had a really good Pokemon day. I'm not going to go into the details because it's hard to explain, but basically there are these little events that you can get invited to if you play in the right places. You can get invited to them, and it's like a specific time only event, and we had 2 of those yesterday, our first ones ever, and it was really fun. So we did that, and then we had Subway for lunch, and then we did another one of those things. We did one in the mid-afternoon, one in the evening, and then we went out for Korean barbecue, and I got a couple of clips of that on my phone. But before I put those in, I just wanted to say we went to a place called Dai Bak, and it's by the Sky Tower, and I would really recommend it. It's obviously like most Korean barbecue places, it's a buffet, and they had heaps of different meats. They had like beef, like steaky beef, and then like streaky fatty kind of beef, if that makes sense, like bacon, but it was beef, pork belly, chicken thigh, another one that we don't actually know what it was, but it was really yum, squid, fish. They had heaps of different meats, and they had all the sides. But the best part about that place was the chicken wings, which you'll see in this clip. I think you see it in the clip, but holy crap, they were like sweet and sticky and like spicy, and they were so delicious, and it was $23. I don't know if it was for like an unlimited time, but we were there for an hour and then we were completely full, but $23 was such a good deal. So anyway, I'll let the clips roll so you can see the delicious dinner that we had last night. So we're at Korean barbecue. You probably can't even hear me. Say hi. And then we've got all of these meats. I've never been here before, but looks like it's going to be good. A little flame down there, and then I cook it all up. You excited? Oh, yeah, sorry. This is our setup now. Thanks, man. This is our setup. So good.
It was a really nice place. I recommend it. We've been to another Korean barbecue place, which was a lot less, I don't know, nice than that one. The one that we just went to was really good. It was like 35 degrees in there though, so if you're gonna go in the summertime, make sure that you wear like no clothes because it's seriously so hot. But it was great anyway. But yeah, that's basically what you guys missed yesterday. Then we came back and we watched a new show on Netflix called Nailed It, which is basically like Pinterest versus real life cooking
but it's like a competition. It's really funny. I recommend that you check it out. It's kind of cringe though, but I do quite like it. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps new people find my content and all of that jazz. And if you are new, please subscribe because it would mean a lot to me. I would love to know your favorite type of cuisine because mine probably would be Asian cuisine because I really like Thai, I like Chinese, and I like Korean barbecue, but then again that's kind of cheating. But then I also like Italian and Mexican. I'd love to know what your favorite is though. But anyway, once again guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all very soon with another video. Bye!